Hello students. Dear students, in today's situation, when you don't have your regular school, like when you are coming to school, following timetable for that day, and then going back to your home. So this is the stage where when you are at home, now you have to prepare your timetable at home so that you can manage your time properly for each subject. आपके घर पे आपके पास अभी फ्लेक्सिबल टाइमिंग्स है, जो टाइम में आप जब चाहे स्कूल से भेजे हुए जो वीडियोस है हर एक सब्जेक्ट के लिए वो देख सकते हैं। जो नोट्स भेजे हुए नोट्स अपने कॉपीज में लिख सकते हैं। सो यू हैव योर ओन फ्लेक्सिबल टाइमिंग्स, बट द मेन इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज you have to prepare your timetable at home and manage your time properly for all the subjects so that you can study each subject comfortably every day. So please take care of this and please give proper timings for all the subjects. So here we have our next chapter, periodic table. Now students, when you study periodic table chapter, always whatever concept you are going to study for this chapter, the concepts will be on some other pages in the text, but that particular concept, okay, and the periodic table, the picture of periodic table you have to keep aside, and then you have to study the concepts. That means every time you have to keep in mind, okay, that picture of periodic table in your mind. So today let us introduce this chapter. Now you know in this chapter you are studying from lower standard, okay, and directly at this level of 10th standard, okay, one question can be asked: why there was need of classifying the elements? Why there was need of classifying the elements? What is the answer? So that the elements can be studied systematically. Okay, so that they can be studied systematically, and many scientists they made attempts to classify the elements. Okay, you know Dobrinus, then Newland, and Mendeleev, and finally today we follow the modern periodic table given by Moseley. Okay, now keeping in mind the picture of modern periodic table, let us start with the first term in the salient features of modern periodic table. The first term here is groups. Now what are groups in periodic table? The vertical columns in the periodic table are called as groups. Now there are 18 vertical columns in the modern periodic table. Okay, so let's understand which type of elements are placed in these 18 groups. Okay, let us try to understand. So we have group 1. For example, this is a periodic table. Extreme left hand side we have the group 1, and group 1 contains alkali metals: lithium, sodium, correct, alkali metals. Immediately next to group 1 we have group 2. Group 2 contains alkaline earth metals: calcium, potassium, for example. Then group 3 to 12, which is exactly at the center of the modern periodic table, group 3 to 12 contains transition elements. Now transition elements means what? That I'll explain. Okay, let me complete all these parts. So group 3 to 12 contains transition elements. Group 13 is called B family, boron. Boron family because in that group boron is the first member and then the remaining members. That's why it is called boron family. Group 14 is similarly called, okay, carbon family because carbon is the first element in that group. Group 15 nitrogen family. Group 16 oxygen family. Group 17 halogens. Okay, halogens which are non-metals. Okay, which are non-metals. And group 18 zero group because they contain inert gases. Group 18 contains inert gases. Now why group 3 to 12 are called transition elements? Because the word transition itself means change. So group 3 to 12 elements which are at the center, they are placed between a change, a drastic change, where we have on the, okay, extreme left hand side of the periodic table we have metals, and here we have non-metals, and these elements are placed between metals and non-metals. They are placed between this change from metals to non-metals. They are placed between this change. That's why they are called transition elements. So this was all about the groups, okay, which are vertical columns in the periodic table. And now the second term here, very important, period. What are periods in modern periodic table? So periods are horizontal rows. Okay, so periods are horizontal rows in the modern periodic table. Now there are 7 periods in the modern periodic table. In that, period 1 is called shortest element containing period, और it is called shortest period. सिंपल वर्ड्स में आप शॉर्टेस्ट पीरियड भी बोल सकते हैं. अब इसको शॉर्टेस्ट पीरियड इसलिए कहते हैं क्योंकि ये पीरियड में सिर्फ 2 एलिमेंट्स हैं. कितने एलिमेंट्स हैं? 2. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड शॉर्टेस्ट पीरियड. Period second and third. Okay, period second and third, they are called short periods because they contain 8 elements, 8 elements है period second or third में. That's why they are called short periods. Period fourth and fifth are called long periods because they contain 18 elements. So let us write here. They contain 2 elements, 8 elements, 18 elements. Okay. And period 6th and 7th are longest period because they contain 32 elements. Because they contain 32 elements. So here we have just introduced periodic table, and once again to remind you that whenever you study any concept in this chapter, please keep the picture of modern periodic table in your mind, okay, or just see the picture of modern periodic table from the text, okay, and then you revise the concept. So simultaneously you have to do this thing so that you can understand the concept easily. So students, today we have just introduced the chapter, okay, and after this very important part of the chapter we are going to start directly, that is periodic properties of the elements in the periodic table. Okay, so just read this part, look at the modern periodic table in your textbook, read this part, you will easily understand. Okay, so I think 2 more lectures for this chapter and this chapter will be over. Okay, so take care of your chemistry copies because soon the copies will be checked online. Watch the videos because I told you that it's a matter of your attendance now. Okay, so please take care of all these points, and that's all for today. Take care and have a nice